Hello, welcome to today's composing trick. This is a real doozy, and when I found out how to do this, I was amazed how easy it actually is. So what we'll do is listen to the end result. I'll show you a little bit of the theory because it's really easy to get your head round, and I'll then do the same thing in real time, which is going to take less than 5 minutes. So don't forget, like and subscribe, always appreciated if you haven't done so already. And let's listen to what we're going to create. Okay, so that is a bit of tension, orchestral, brassy stuff for you. It is really easy to do. Let me show you the theory behind it on the keyboard. All we are doing is taking a major chord with 4 notes. So there's the root and the upper root. So let's take C major, for example. So we've got C major, and all you do is raise the lower root by a semitone or a half step and play that new chord. It works for any major chord. Let's do F. Now raise the lower root by a semitone or half step. Now that's not really a major or a minor sound, which is why it sounds tense. You could think of it, if you're doing music, thinking in terms of music theory, that this is a C sharp diminished with a major 7th on the top, or you could think of it as a C with an added flat 9. Either way, it doesn't matter. The best way to think of it is a major chord and raise the lower root. That's the easy way to think about it. And that's what we're going to do in this composing trick. So let me move these out the way and I'll literally start from scratch. I'll start with the longs because this is another thing that I like to do, is split out your longs and shorts. Some patches do work. This is the for long XL and extra loud shorts that Albion 1 recently added that I'm using here. So let's play in something. Let's, oh, do you want to see what I'm playing? Why not? I think I'm going to need the metronome. Here we go. Not quite the same as the other one, but it'll give you the idea. So if you're using multiple articulations, all you do is copy down to the next one, and then for the longs you get rid of the short notes and I think that's a long note at the end. Yeah, and for the shorts obviously you do the opposite and get rid of the longs. So there we go. Now we have this. Which sounds much better, actually, having the shorts and the longs separated. Just to show you, we are in Albion 1 and we've got the Horns XL selected on Maximum Dynamics. And it's the same for the shorts. Now, what we need to do, if you remember, is we've basically just written a tune there. And what we need to do is turn it into, well, to start with, major planing chords. So imagine major chords, and then, you know, that's what we're going to do basically. So to create the major chord, which is going to sound a bit more John Williamsy rather than tension, we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down, and then 1, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then to the other octave is 12. So that's what I've done here. I've just set up these tracks here. So we've got longs and shorts again, but each time under the track settings, what I've done is change the transpose number. So there, -5, -8, -8, and these are actually -11. For the sake of hearing the difference, let's put these on the octave just to start with, because I think you'll get a better idea of what we are doing. And because we are literally just changing the MIDI, we don't need to faff about with moving notes. So everything here is now, well, these are -12. Let's just hear what that sounds like if this is major chords. That's quite nice. And, you know, that's a technique you might want to do, major planing. But if we change these to -11, we get this orchestral tension. I think you get the idea. I suggest you go and have a go at doing that yourself, because it is so quick. Oh, those last two lines, they were just percussion hits. So what were they exactly? I think they were just some low bass drums and toms. Yeah, just to accompany. What else could you put in there? Tubular bells, accent some of the points. And don't just restrict yourself to trying this with brass. Strings will work well. You could mix up a woodwind section and spread out a chord there. There you go. Orchestral tension. And don't forget, like and subscribe is always appreciated. See you in the next video. Bye for now.